Okay students, today we are going to discuss on like fractions and unlike fractions. Okay, like fractions. Like fractions. What do you mean by like fractions? Okay, fractions, for example, look at here. 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 1 by 7. Look, all these fractions. We can see that. What you can see? Denominators are same. So the fractions which are having same denominators are known as like fractions. Okay. Then we can say about unlike fractions. What are unlike fractions? Yes, fractions with a different denominators. That is unlike fraction. Unlike fraction means 1 by 7, 2 by 8, 3 by 4. Look at all these fractions. They are having different denominators. So, like fractions are fractions with same denominator and unlike fractions are fractions with the different denominators. And these two fractions are very, very important. Okay, now we are going to learn where do you apply like fractions. Application of like fractions. Okay, application of like fractions. What is the meaning of application? Use of like fractions. Okay, first one, comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions. Comparison of fractions means to check which fraction is bigger or which fraction is smaller. Okay, for example, which is bigger? Example, comparison of fraction. Which is bigger? Which is bigger? Okay, for that, 2 by 7 or 4 by 5. Two fractions are given. What kind of fractions are they? Do they have same denominator? No, they don't have same denominator. The denominators are different. So these are unlike fractions. Okay. So when the fractions are unlike, do we able to compare it? No, we cannot compare. To compare two fractions, they have to be like fractions. So we need to change these two unlike fractions to like fractions with the same denominator. For that, what we should do? Okay. Take the given fractions 2 by 7 and 4 by 5. Okay, in earlier classes you have learned the concept of LCM. Take the denominators 7 and 5. Okay, do they have any common factors? What do you mean by common factors? Do they come in any of the same tables, multiplication table? 7 and 5, they won't come in any of the tables. Okay, so they do not have any common factor. So when they don't have common factor, LCM is equal to 7 into 5, which is 35. Because 7 and 5 have no common factor. Okay, so common factors means they should come in the same table. For example, 2 and 4. Do they have common factor? Yes, they both come in the table of 2. Okay, so in that case, what you do? 2 one time, 2 time. So LCM is 2 into 1 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4. Okay, so this is the way you find the LCM. So LCM is 35. LCM is 35. Okay, now take the first fraction. 2 by 7 equal to. You learned the concept of equivalent fraction. How equivalent fractions are obtained? By multiplying same number in the numerator and denominator. So the 7 has to be changed to 35. So 7 stable 35. How many times? Okay, how many times? 5 times. So multiply 5 in the numerator and in the denominator. That is equal to 10 by 35. So 2 by 7, 10 by 35. They are same fractions. They are equal to the same fraction, but it is converted into a bigger numerator and bigger denominator. Such fractions are known as equivalent fractions that you already learned in the previous class. Okay. Likewise, take the next one, 4 by 5, which is equal to, this 5 has to be changed into the denominator, 35. So in 5 stable 35, how many times? How many times? Yes, exactly, 7 times. So 4 into 7 by 5 into 7, which is equal to 28 by 35. Now look at the two fractions. Are they like? Yes, because their denominators are same. Okay, so 10 by 35 and 28 by 35. They have become like fractions. Now we can compare. Now we can say which is bigger. How do you say which is bigger? When the denominators became same, check the numerator. Which is bigger, 10 or 28? Yes, 28 is bigger. So 28 by 35 is bigger. When it is bigger, the sign, the mouth of the sign will be open towards the bigger number. Okay, so 10 by 35 is smaller than 28 by 35, or 28 by 35 is bigger than 10 by 35, which means, which is the original fraction of 28 by 35? That is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 is greater than, this is bigger. This is bigger than 2 by 7. So this is the way we compare two fractions. So for the comparison of two fractions, we need to change the unlike fractions into like fractions. Okay.